Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products. Today we got a hunk of juniper. We're going to go ahead and cut it up. Hopefully we'll have some good color in it. We'll see. If not, we got a piece of maple.
Yep, that's true. If not, next week we got a pretty decent sized maple. Wait till you get some grenades coming off this thing. Yep. I might want to step back. We're going to protect things flying everywhere. Oh, wow. You guys, it's getting some pretty wood. Wow. That is going to be pretty. gonna be pretty. That's gonna be pretty stuff. Wow, look how cool it's gonna be. Ah, that is neat. Wow. I am so excited about this wood. That's pretty. I'm gonna let him cut this, and then, because he's gonna flip this in a second, and then I'll continue letting you guys see the video. Okay, we'll be back. Well, we're gonna cut this last one. We're gonna show you guys what the wood looks like, and then the last piece we're gonna leave thick for like a bench or something. So, but you can see the purple in the sawdust. It's going to be pretty wood. Very unique, I think. I'm actually excited to see this one. It's gonna be cool. what this looks like. I'm excited. She's gonna spray this and it's gonna stop the noise. Well, not all of it, but some of it. Wait till you see this wood. This is gonna be cool looking. Watch it not be. Ooh. That's different. Oh. Well, if you guys have never seen Juniper before, which I haven't, this is what it looks like. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys have seen it or not, because, like I said, that's the first time I've ever seen it. Have you ever seen Juniper, babe?
Yep.
So you knew it was going to be purple?
Yep. That's why little over a year ago, that one chunk that was up in the Waihees when we were rock hunting, that's why I wanted to get it, but we weren't able to.
Oh. Didn't even think about that.
Yeah, this piece here, this is actually somebody's yard tree.
Oh.
So this is another Diamond Street recycling piece.
Yeah, and just so you guys know, we are going to start moving in some bigger logs. We have to rearrange a few things. Our camper was down there, which we have moved. We have to move a Suburban and then get these few little things right there out of the way. And then we're just going to back from the beginning of the driveway back and just drop it right off at the saw and not have to keep manhandling all these logs from over there to back over here.
This is probably going to be about the best slab out of it.
We're just going to back up and drop them. Anyway, we got some big logs coming, guys, so stay tuned for those. Plus, we got that, what is it, 7-foot log coming too?
Something.
Yeah, over 7-foot log coming. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is really pretty, actually. Huh. Started getting a little hot, looks like.
Yeah, it's end of life on this blade.
Wow. That's gorgeous. So if you guys are interested in buying any of this, let us know. Like I said, everything that we do, we are selling. We have this, and then we got the stacks, and we got all that over there standing up. And we're probably the cheapest that you're going to find. We're doing usually about, what, $5 a square board?
Board foot.
Board foot.
Most of it's $5 a board foot.
Yeah, most of it's just
Some of the exotic stuff is more.
But most of it is $5. A what?
Board foot.
A board foot.
12 inches by 12 inches by 1 inch thick. One board foot.
Okay, you heard him. Anyway.
Now I'm debating if I should take one more slab or leave this thick for a bench.
I would leave it that thick for a bench. Because, you know what? We can put this out in front of a house. Just trim off this little piece and use this as our bench. Because that sure is pretty and unique.
Yeah.
Wow. That is really pretty. Yeah, why don't we do that? You just use our little saw over there and cut that piece up. Take it up and we'll use it for our bench.
Good.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, still, you guys, we still need you guys to like and comment and share, and we need subscribers, guys. We hit that 1,000 mark, and we're going to be giving a $500 gift card away. Who knows, maybe a piece of this slab. We're definitely going to get a nice piece of slab to somebody. Well, hopefully, as long as that's feasible. If it's in state, we are going to do it. If it's out of the country, we're just going to have to look into that. So, again, guys, share these videos. Have your friends and stuff subscribe. And leave a comment so that they can be entered into that contest. And when we get to that 100 or 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do this big giveaway. Yeah. Now, watch my husband try and do this.
And thank you to Hobby Hardwood.
Hobby Hardwood? Yeah. Who's that?
He has a chance. Whoop.
He has a what?
I don't have anything to push against there. Get it right here. Now it's going to stick. Come on, roll over. Roll over, you can do it. It worked easier over there when I had something to push up against.
Hey, you got it.
Yeah. Yeah. Hobby Hardwood's channel. He showed how to roll up a blade. It's like, ooh, I can probably do that.
Well, shout out to him then.
Yeah, so learn something from you.
See? We're not the only ones with channels that help people. So, again, guys, you know what? We could not do these channels without you guys. You know, we appreciate all you guys that are subscribers, to be subscribers. And we appreciate all the comments. Keep them coming, guys, because we will respond. We're trying to respond to every single one. So, we really enjoy the comments.
If you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. 208-447-9691.
All right, guys. Have a good one. Bye.